Hello and welcome to another episode of Monday Minute Tips. I am Naeem Akram Malik from Test Automation TV, and in today's video I am going to show you a very useful tip which can help in reducing the strain on your eyes, especially if you are like me, an IT professional who spends hours and hours in front of the PC screen. So guys, this tip is specific to Windows 10, and the first thing which I'm going to show you is how to enable the night mode in Windows 10. I will right click on the desktop and I will go to display settings, and in here you can see that there is this toggle button night light. It is off until 9 p.m. I have turned it on. If you want, you can also schedule it. Alright, for example, if I go to night light settings, here you can see that I can define a schedule for turning the night mode on and turning it off. But you must be thinking, what is night mode? Guys, night mode is basically software setting in which your monitor, your display shows you less amount of blue light. Okay, when our laptop and mobile is normally glowing, it is showing us a lot of blue light spectrums, and which are associated with keeping you awake, which are associated with the morning time sunrise, and which give ourselves a signal, an unconscious signal that it is morning and we gotta wake up. So the blue spectrum, the white light wakes us up. But when we set the night light on, when the night mode is on, your PC is going to emit less amount of that light which keeps you awake, and it is going to emit more amount of that light which basically sends you a signal that it's okay, perhaps you could sleep. It won't put you to sleep right away, but at least it won't put you to sleep right away, but at least it will be helpful in basically relaxing you. Okay, so here is the night light settings. You can turn it on. I have turned it on my PC. I have also turned it on my mobile phone. And next thing is I am going to go to the settings. Actually, not like this. I will just click this button, start button, and I will go here on the settings. Okay, so over here, if I find the settings for dark mode, I just search the word dark over here, and here you can see it is showing me the option to turn on dark mode for apps. I will click it. When you will turn on dark mode for apps, all of your user interface will have mostly darker colors. Like for example, the way you are looking at my PC right now, and I have chosen my color to dark from here. Okay, and this is why my entire screen is showing dark, and it is saying that show accent color on these as well. So I can do this too if I like. For example, if I make it like this, so now you see everything is darker, it is emitting less light. Okay, and if I go back to the settings one more time, I go to, what did I do? I think I set it to the light mode. If I set it to the light mode, this option, if I set this option to the light mode, then now you can see everything is so bright. And as I told you earlier, that the more bright light is shined upon your eyes, the more your evolutionary self starts to wake up. So it is kind of a signal. The bright light, the blue light, it is kind of a signal for you to wake up. It is morning and you gotta go hunting, you gotta do something. Okay, and again if we come here and if we again say dark over here, if I type dark, and all of those options are showing, which are basically, which I have already done it. I just wanted to make sure that there is nothing more which I am leaving. So you can turn on the dark mode for your apps, you can set the night mode. These are the two tips in which I showed you in today's video. So I hope that you would have found these tips useful, and they are going to help you get a better sleep. And as you know, better sleep leads to better productivity. better sleep makes you a more active person during the day. And thank you very much for watching. I keep posting such tips every week. I post one tip every Monday, at least I try to, and I have been doing it for a few weeks now. So feel free to reach out with suggestions in the comment section below, and do like this video, do share it with your friends, and do subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell link. Have a nice day. Bye bye.